Good morning, everyone. I am Shweta. Today I am going to discuss a very important shift in the education, how institution can scale AI learning effectively using EduCloud. So before we begin, I would like to uh, start with the real-time problem, what real-time challenges with the traditional labs. So is anyone feel the current lab infrastructure is sufficient for the students in the institutions? No, right? Because of the limited system, high infrastructure cost, scheduling issues, GPU dependency. The challenge today is not teaching AI; it's scaling it. Scaling it. EduCloud is a virtual lab that allows institutions to deliver scalable, hands-on AI learning without infrastructure limitation. It is designed not just for the student but for the institution to optimize delivery. Instead of investing heavily in the physical labs, uh, no infrastructure, no hardware dependency, scalable for large batches, quick onboarding, centralized, managed. If the lab access was not a constant, it would change your course delivery. Let's look at the from an institution perspective. So, academic benefits are better hands-on learning, improved project quality, support research and innovation. Operation benefits are no maintenance overhead, reduced dependencies on the lab timing, easy scaling for multiple batches, and it simplifies the administrator to track the student progress. It is for the future ready graduates. It increase the campus placement by giving the results, and hands-on expertise is also provided by this AI lab, and uh, uncompromised equity. It delivers the identical high performance programming environment for all the students and faculties. Uh, Go to the architecture overview. So it is a simple, robust, and completely managed cloud workflow, accessible from the compute infrastructure, the GPU. So what included in the architecture is user will log in with their credential. They will open the portal. They will see the cloud EDU cloud lab, and they need to use the single sign-on for the login. They can After logging, they can see the dashboard. They can enable uh, they can create the models. They can do prompt engineering. There is AI teaching agent is also there in our AI lab. And then after that, if we can get the output from the AI lab. So one second. So case studies are before EduCloud. Let's take the example of institution which has a 300 plus 300 plus students. Before EduCloud, what was happening is they had the limited lab access with the rigid timings. They have they have only CPUs. They don't have a GPU enabled system in their labs. Students are waiting endlessly for the lab slots uh, because there is very less uh, physical systems are available uh, for students, and the teaching and learning is restricted for the on only on the theoretical concept, because just because of the lab environment is not ready for the students to train the model for the experiments. But after getting the edu cloud, we are getting 24/7 seamless lab access anytime anywhere. It is completely accessible from for the student from their own system. If they want to access it from their mobile phone also they can access this. It has a zero hardware dependency, and more than 60% drastic drop in the infrastructure cost if we are using edu cloud. So proven impact is 2 2x student participations are there. uh, Infrastructure cost is less, faster completion of the project. The placement, students are ready for the placement readiness. They are getting the relevant skill using the cloud AI. Now we'll go to the next. So when we talk about the pricing and ROI model, pricing is pay as you go. We don't need to pay for the whole infrastructure. We just pay for the how much students are using it. It is flexible. It is flexible as the user for the users to act. How much users are accessing the lab? They just need to pay for those users. They don't need to pay for the whole server or any hardware cost. And 60 to 70% is a budget saving and zero maintenance drag. It has a rapid project cycles, enhanced institutional prestige. So now we are going to show you the live platform demonstration. So I'm forwarding this call to Mayur. He will show you how our edu cloud platform works. So Mayur.
Mayur.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining. Today, I'll give you a quick live demonstration of our MWM EduCloud AI Lab. The purpose of this platform is simple. It's to help schools and colleges teach AI and ML concepts in a practical and hands-on way. Many students learn AI only through theory, and they do not get to see the visualized version of the data sets or the comparison of different models. So this will our platform will help in visualizing the AI and ML concepts of which will be taught in schools or colleges. This is the main dashboard. Here, user can see the total number of data sets uploaded, the available number of algorithms and core modules. These are the different pages available in the AI lab. This is a learn by seeing feature where users can see and understand what different features of the AI lab works and how it works as well. They can see the step-by-step workflow here. And this is a sandbox where it will run a simple demo and they can see what happened exactly in the sandbox as well. And this is there for all the features. Now going to dataset upload. This is where students can upload datasets such as CSV files, text files, images, or even zip files. Once it is uploaded, it is saved in the platform and it can be reused for all the different activities available. This is useful because students don't need to start again every time. The teachers can usually provide one data set and it can be used for cleaning, visualization, and even experiments as well. Now going to data cleaning, I'll select a data set which has missing values. So now you can see the missing values over here. And this is the column profile. It shows the column name, type, and the number of missing values, and even the unique number of values. And this is the distribution analysis of the uploaded data set. And this is the general statistics of the data set. And if we go to clean, users can do an automatic cleaning as well. And this is manual cleaning where user can select between different types of operation, and they can select the target data set, target column as well, and they can select different types of operations to method to be done. I'll go with auto cleaning. Here you can see the audit of the cleaning which has been done. In audit and compare, click apply auto cleaning. Here the user can see the audit trail where it shows what what and all the operations has been done in the cleaning. And here user can see the original versus clean data set. It shows it shows the difference between the two. And this is export where user can download the clean data set as well. And going to visualizations, this shows auto suggested charts for the selected data set. Going to manual builder, here user can select different types of chart type. They can select the x-axis as the need is. I'll go with y-axis as plant height, and you can see the chart being generated. Users can also group by and even use the color by option and the aggregation option as well. Now going to run benchmark, this is where users can users can see how the model reacts to the given data set. They'll get the metrics of the model, and they can see how the training how the training is affected when the train test split is changed as well. You can see the accuracy, everything changes as the split is changed. So yeah, students can get to know this as well. Going to metrics dashboard, it just shows all the experiments which have been run. Users can compare between different models and different data sets as well, and they can select which is best suited for them. In algorithm playground, here user can select a single data set, and they can run it on different types of algorithm to see which is best suited for their use case. I'll select the target column as exam pass flag and task type as classification, so it will classify it as pass or fail. I'll select all the available algorithms to compare. And this is hyperparameter tuning panel where the different hyperparameters of different algorithms can be changed as well. So here users can see which algorithm is the best suited for them, and they can easily get to know which gives the best output as well. Going to AI tutor chatbot, this is just a chatbot where users can ask questions about the the AI lab or general questions as well. This is prompt engineering lab where users can see how different types of prompt techniques work. And here they can, this is the prompt transformation studio where you can give a prompt and user can select the required technique as well, and they can generate the variant. I've clicked generate all variants, so user can see all the different types of variants here. And if they want to run it, they can just click run and it will be loaded in the main prompt tab. But if they just want to save it also, they can do that. And this is to run the prompt. This is prompt library where all the saved prompts are stored. User can select two prompts and they can compare how it works. They can see the model name, response time, how much completion tokens it used also. Moving to OpenCV Studio, here users can upload images and they can apply different OpenCV OpenCV operations on it. And this is the annotation part where user can upload an image and apply different annotation techniques as well. Now going to RAG lab, RAG is retrieval augmented generation. Here user or students can understand how the RAG works by seeing the flow diagram. Here user can upload the document which is to be chunked and embedded, which helps in RAG work as well. As soon as a user uploads the document, it is indexed and it is created into chunks and it is stored in a vector DB. And when users ask questions, they can ask questions related to the related to the uploaded document. So it gives answer by extracting the required or concerned part of the chunk in the document, and it will give highly accurate answer. And this is an option to run without RAG comparison. So it will run the given prompt here without RAG, and user can see the difference between prompt with RAG or without RAG as well. Yeah, this is it.
Thank you, Mayur. That was a
Thank you.
clear walkthrough of the platform. As the demo highlighted, EduCloud is not just about the digital access, it is about the enabling institution to deliver AI learning in a more scalable, structured, and outcome driven way. From a faculty perspective, it simplifies a lab delivery significantly. If you observe carefully, the platform is not just a tool, it is structured around a learning flow. So to conclude this, institution today are not increasing pressure to offer a practical industry relevant AI education, but often with the limited infrastructure, limited flexibility, and growing student demand. What EduCloud offers is a way to address those challenges through a structured, accessible, and scalable AI lab environment. For faculty, it simplifies lab delivery and reduces setup overhead. For department and institution, it supports scale, consistency, and improved academic outcomes. Ultimately, EduCloud is not just a platform for running experiments, it is a way for the institution to strengthen AI teaching, uh, improve hands on learning, and prepare students for most effectively for future opportunities. So that's all for from our side. If you any questions from your side, anyone has their questions, any feedback?
It's a good session, guys. Also, this is a clear walkthrough. So I see a good development in what we have done in terms of EduCloud. Um, I see Murthy was joined. Murthy, did you have any questions or anything to add? Uh, you have any opinion on it?
Yeah, mainly that the module wise, models wise, right? We are adding all the modules specific, or we are constraining to that, and also we are doing any training part also, or how much of training is being involved in that side?
Okay, so we are trying to set this up like in a SaaS offering for colleges, so they can set up their own AI labs. So
Mhm.
two things. One is we are trying to set this up at the low cost, which is why we are using all the open source models as of now. So
Okay.
if in case they say college has their own their access to additional chat GPT or Claude, right?
Mhm.
We can point to those model also. So depending on the infrastructure they provide, we can choose which model we can use. And in terms of training and things, we only have created few use cases that we can
Mhm.
use to train the faculty and stuff like that. So
Okay.
once the faculty gets trained, they can use the tool to build their own training and rags and things. So that
Okay.
is the thought process.
Oh, okay. Yeah, the main thing is that the integration with the, if they have any cloud membership or something, they can use some of the integration is through API or something. How it is actually.
So it's all through APIs only. So right now,
Okay.
people can sign up for free. They can
Mhm.
use the existing models and things. They
Mhm.
have limitations on the data set they can upload and all. So if you want to upload more data, then you subscribe to the different model
Okay. Mhm.
to the platform. So
Right.
in the free model, you have access to all the features, but at limited the capacity. So
Capacity, yeah,
if
right.
that's the way we are
Mhm.
packaging this.
Okay. Therefore, this include that code generation or projects or artifacts creation. All these things will come as part of that, or it's only some of the like Gen part only, or how it is. Whether any agentic AI part also is been include plan to include it in that side, the workflows part.
So the idea or vision is to make this as a platform for you to teach AI,
Okay.
right? Not to build something out of AI,
Okay.
primarily to teach AI or to upskill
Upskill them. Okay.
students, yeah, students, colleges at different levels,
Okay.
right? We can use the same platform at different capacity to train uh, s- people with the AI
Yeah,
skills.
mainly that why I brought that point is mainly Karthik is uh, to see that some project if they want to do that as part of
Uh-huh.
that, and they
Yeah.
want to might be schools, it's fine. Only thing if you want to bring it to the colleges or something, right? They might be looking at do some project and do internship or something, showcase that they
Correct.
have done something on that. That might
Mm.
be helpful in the future state. That's the only idea in hand which I thought to
Yes,
bring it.
that's right. See, they can use the same platform. Maybe
Hmm.
at the college level, they will have a better data set, maybe more data and
Yeah,
stuff,
right.
right? So they can get the subscription for that limited period and
Hmm.
use build their projects and stuff using the platform. Right. So this will be like your AI basic. It's like your government laptop. Government gives you
Yeah,
laptops to
right. Laptop.
colleges and right.
Mhm.
So the
Oh,
same
okay.
thing can be extended like a thin version that allows you to connect to the AI cloud. Right. So that's
Mhm.
what we are trying to build.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Thought
Cool.
of look at that overall scoping part actually.
Sure. Awesome. Cool. Cool. Thank you, guys. Is there anything else we're covering today?
That's it.
Awesome. Cool. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Venkat. So I'll connect with
Yeah,
you
sure. Yeah,
next time.
thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, Maya. Good job.